In this video, I'm going to talk to you about OnlyFans and give you 2 destructive facts that should not be ignored. Hello, I'm Jason, and my channel brings you weekly tips and strategies on how you can live a life of character and integrity. So if you find my content valuable, please consider subscribing. The first destructive fact about OnlyFans is that women are often objectified and viewed mostly for entertainment. Of course, I am not naive to the fact that women who sign up for this site are not seeking attention and monetary gains. But these immoral acts feeds into society's addiction for instant gratification. You should know by now that my channel promotes character and integrity. So it would be doing you, the viewer, a disservice if I did not expose the dark side of this site. Again, this is doing nothing but perpetuating the addiction of lust and immorality. If you've received value from my content thus far, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you turn on your notifications so you'll never miss out on my weekly uploads. The second destructive fact about OnlyFans is that teens are beginning to become hooked on this site. Teens are not just accessing this adult content, but are setting up explicit profiles for themselves. Please check out the video above that gives you information on how teens use their phones to send illicit photos to strangers and their friends. OnlyFans does have age restrictions, but we all know how teens can navigate and get beyond those restrictions. Let's play devil's advocate here, and let's say that your teen is not seeking out explicit images on this site. This may be true, but they can be easily sucked into the cycle of wanting to be accepted and heard and paid attention to on this site. Your teen could easily think that these influencers or performers have their best interests at heart, yet failing to realize that these teenagers are paying these performers for attention, which in turn can create unwanted mental issues. So you have to be very vigilant on knowing what your teen is doing, not just on OnlyFans, on all social media sites. Question of the day: have you heard about this site, OnlyFans? And do you know anyone that's participating on this site? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if you'd like a free 1-hour coaching session, please contact me at the email address on the screen, lifecoachjscott@gmail.com. Thanks again for tuning in to this video. I cannot wait to see you on the next. Take care.